Entiabusia Ralph De Fellow Ghanaians. Odna keka kana akopie mu of Philadelphia akache. Papa Stephen Adom Kyei Duah akache ama hono mo no. Agene minimum Philadelphians for no omo abe reply no. I Penyah block me that. That's why I say I need him. Over like video no other one but subscribe button and click notification icon for latest update. Na ba chile wa adwen dia me e wo comments. E so ba so. No ache for Spanya biahwe. Etenye social media activist Ralph De Fellow Ghanaian. I saw one who was a common Konoma. Ghana than a comma so Essin will be our Ghana Hanum, according to Alno de who said, or Pegana, some Essin will be our dog Ghana Boroso. But you know, there are some one or two things be I have problem with him, but young can't want some our Hanum. Later, I can't want him. Maybe I don't say that particular issue, the kind of problem because there was a time now on a boss the car, Stephen Adom or call Parliament House. Now Ralph at the phone at task the car, you know, at the phone could run and near say. But omuya demonstration you know 1957 news blogger no on the actual phone AC Ralph so video Ralph now Ralph edwa the work we said I didn't try kwani video no what I say a whole MP called Parliament House now Ralph intimidating no Jojo nsa akora but I can was simulated I was that first night no Philadelphia catch Papa Stephen Adom Kyei Duah obi aso da kese bia no aso da no to some of the Philadelphia church members, the New Jerusalem, because I saw that the part so pa, so wa by tre, I saw that so pay yes, investment, get one common investment, if you compare Sika coho, Sika ura denimo, Sika ura denimo, and that day no, you know how the 31st night service is course, I will not send them home. Now we have this church now, Papa didn't the S, you know. I don't know Ralph De Fellow Ghanaian. Or then I kick in the video, I go PM Honomo. And then order and same with a tuja.
Met me about I can have a dinko. Okay. But yeah, my video be a private property. And I'm a trespasser. Okay, so I had a more company anymore. And she tried to meet me our. Ah. Na ada omu we ada si so omu de ba be company na company na ya so Philadelphia City ano asole for no strategy ba kwa mse mehunu no ba ku bi wa ya se Zion City ba ku bi so wo Mopa City is ya wenso ya Philadelphia City. Yeah, sebo. Inti imagine pa say we unia wo de kanokro company pa omo ba omo be price na me mo dwuma nyiwu ana me boa. Yankopon bie kwan mo no mo kwa brochiri ana me boa. Na hwe company kase sei pa na yemfa ne say yedi ye production bi cashew processing factory, cassava processing factory. Name them cotton. Any nyoma bebre ye no kromia na nke enua no mo be bom pa so Nyankopon mo be sankwa aburuchiri kanya haya no ba be eduma o say aha say no enya for asorenko awo omo de be company so factory wo nti ye nti aduma na nkasa de e be we tiri nti we ni kakraka ye sie de ye for asore by feed companies and factories enye na den ye nsi factory no mo first na nipa ni nye adwuma nye na omo mfentu omo say ye mpo ye adwuma wa ha na so focus ye de ye tie taxes nkakra e wo ye company nim every your salary mo every month bia na nke disi asole say ya kanu de nkobi ampo kan kanya ya so what I say because at the end of the day ye we company kese a wo hwa asase da over 200 acres and ye di dua banche na ye aba factory ho so what I say nti I don't know ba na ye si we ya ye betre o say ye factory na ye fa nipa over 2000 adwuma no aha na wo ye wo farm nkofo do ye processing factory a nkofo guo yi anameboa ba ye di nkesi warehouse any warehouse we America over $5-10 million investment in Asia no ane maminja ninja na meko all right na menka yeni ayo me da so pa kan pesa me ko inside wo e ko hwe style hotel pa but joma yi nkonya ni bibia mo de 31st night ni nyako anacha no mko high no mo be ya asole na say and 31st night na antina omo ba ha so But company and your company get to mum a super. So it was ya. Enti tell me flag ade ba kwa software ya meni ade wuni o the entrance no Ghana flag ketwa bo ha ina kase pa so bo ha so and the software ade pa ina maya hodo no African countries ne where the Israel, where United States, where UK, where France, Italy, and then kind of twatwa Nigeria, Ivory Coast, twatwa so on and my PM adum na ka measure so for needing komo that's for 31st night na so pet a grade that be no mu yi kwan ba ko bi to a baby kosi main road ni because traffic area wa hapa no na nye traffic ketwa nti ye bibi fa ho ba ma meto sofo nti no me dey to so bad. It is what it is. I always say I don't do what I do to denigrate anyone. I do what I do for the purposes of our nation building. This is just a thought. Like Isaiah said, simply inform I say we are munjana mo fresh so yenkebi. Open the chairman journey, then woman yes say a cassette out. Long live Ghana and God continue to bless our homeland. Until we meet again. Dios.
And some of Ralph you know. I don't know video now go viral and say I got to Philadelphia for no the TikTok branch. I got 2 women that was waiting somewhere. Omega chair Ralph De Fellow Ghanaian.
Pa ena yem fa ne say yedi ye production bi
Adumo, very more baby. Yenin komo kakra. Ralph, o video akoye there. It was unnecessary. Because question now be say, bro, I love you. But question way, it was unnecessary. I didn't think I make us. There were differences between a businessman and a man of God. And Adom Kyei Duah is not a businessman, he's a man of God. Urban or Kanasindi. Or say I am on this earth to destroy the ancient satanic strongholds. Maybe getting in ego, Nama Jenipa Efi and Kwasuma. Now, bro, so be but Jenipa Efi and Kwasuma automatically also pay baby or Joe movie or Bemo Maba, no way teach you. I didn't know, bro, Ralph. I didn't know auditoriums be brave or her uncle. Your Pentecost, I saw the dark as yet. Your room, I saw dark as yet. You are sorry, I saw be brave, but why Philadelphia? And come here, I said Ghana. Everything concerning Philadelphia, Ubia pursue home. At the end of the day, no Ubia also say Papa in your court. Until then, you be Sasa Ghana for which is Coco, you didn't man. I didn't know Obia per se or popping nose in Adom Kyei Duah's business. But Omuria, they don't talk positive about Adom Kyei Duah. Many of this question is Amazon cry and Amazon or you should for on one personal business. Adom Kyei Duah and mission on earth, Nyamejuma, any business. A Nyamejuma no and now Obi be any penny. And then, why when a my own say sorry, can cry the boy answer ma. Papa Adom Kyei Duah. If say one could to blame her. And Garaf and what's all started from Adom Kyei Duah. What's all started from a software now, bad na. O man to me, am one sorry nano. Now we are all the abbe and they say, Mon Adom Kyei Duah, the one and sorry ma. At the end of the day, Nina, the waiting massa years and moon him the vision of the man. But as a more person force one, I'm more children, Papa no one yet. Bro, Mr. Ramo, unya butcher, move speedy too much. It's like a ding Adom Kyei Duah at a trend, and I'm to be a person we should daily be for trend, bro. Only baby, one thing I like about you is what far a you may be at home, so that working, I love it. And as a man who videos be a no so be a fat baller, no a twatching. No a russian, no a manacofa. Papa Penyah be cram so a fat what Sebi with Jan and I know their good quality, no a twatching. No a caution when you're day and that time I'm proud of you. But with this interview, I and the bro, Mr. We mission the opposite, yeah, a babuano. We maybe saying we are. obeya ma obi bekasa etia akwa the into bekasa etia akwa ne say this interview akwa was unnecessary nanka me hwe say o content mu no bekasa oh ye ba ye Papa Adom Kyei Duah ne parking lodge ho no e ba kwam ana say we wia asase ni bi eno de anka we will have problem but say ni bia is intact there na onim ne doma edi ne chinti enti sese bi obatan bia wo a usi fie a usi efie ahwe ameki sure say wo ma no obi abenya baabi e de ne tiato ye papa wo ye mpempem agya nti onkoye auditorium keto a enipa nko e master mpidi megu e manipa megu automatically doma edi ne chinti wo so ye place a very spacious said the beya enipa omo ba no omo ho be de e beto omo enti se oka se an ye fango ya Amazon a ene na person che se papa no oba no oba se obey business but min kan cho se ye papa Stephen Adom Kyei Duah me business obey nyame adwuma ene nti utimi che 517 billion because ni mission no enye se ni be pesika ne mabusua akodi na emu mebe boa mada Ghana ama Chrisosom ayefe ayenimonyam. He is a man of God, not a businessman. Please, bro, take it.
Now we go to Sikeni for saying, Ralph, we go to Sikeni for saying. I didn't know yet the about me job brutal because now me follow me job one time. Now I could not Penyah ya de say ya suakasa finance kasa. Won, who think I press ni pan what can nyame but tired word this eh and the way papa we do nyame a otumi esade we de e bra dwensuo. Now I can't house so and over sere and prepare that chibian campaign funya de and ye papa nkasa na se nka company bi no be bia ma man na no man e japade e nyansa kasa unko gina the entrance enko kansem fun we to media no so we bra a lot of followers now I'm so followers be bring so Philadelphia for now we have to reason up person nyansa wura otima sa na kasa what I say enje mu bebre na kasa no Papa Adom Kyei Duah enti no untumi mba abonten be keka nsemhunu bia what I say because you respect papa no that is obi otie Papa Adom Kyei bia no okasa or the slow to ne kasa okakro the measures to ne kasa enka na akoye won ke bedu atam brutal e be twabo brutal but Papa Adom Kyei Duah watete yen what I say o maye hu ne botaye o de bo man Ghana wa maye tene o ma bia se enunti na ye pese e bedu obi atam e o media no so but now ye the jack so be pay receive Adom Kyei Duah achew because you didn't speak well one kasa ye. Enti no yiwe ni fi Papa Adom Kyei Duah ho de ye ma cross barrier what I say e ho de ye ma cross barrier go to the politicians ko Ghana politicians for no na kona ko ka wa asem kire won mu na mu bu oman Papa Adom Kyei Duah is a prophet oyodifo on chichiri kuro on chichiri oman obua ema oman ko nkan based on the directives of momo politicians no and na ye receive Adom Kyei Duah say politicians na ba ne chen say owura ye hu say wo ye no makase ubetumi aboa ye ama ye nya factory bi se ya na e kana koma na office obetumi aya why not obeye but na wo go so pam fi okra me na mo hosa atamaka I will sack you from that place me pam wo fi Stephen Adom Kyei Duah ya do okra me ma onye video kasa kwase asem we embetu media no so but di nyina ye hu ni pakon awoye ye hu adwe wo tim Papa Adom Kyei Duah it is up to you say odo chepa beba and obeja to osa ye nyina ye hwe ne ekoso upe adwuma e wo man ma ko mpanyfo no ko ministers u MPs no ko abemu ko na ko bede for contract ko na ko pe fa onyansa na awo no fa na ko pre adwuma mo amawo wura dem ho mpo na ogina bonten ke kan kwasasem sei ene nka wura dem ho de a nka fon abai kan odem ho de nka ebesen Charlie, you have to be very careful. You're very careful because you're in Kwanesa. Obia Ebema. Obia no your bow movement in Philadelphia movement and by whom cry 7 but down cross in Bemano. Obia no your bow movement in him. And to the man fan showed him say a Christian then they are sorry to no bit my back. You'll be no bit my country. And Casasa.
Ralph, video now you Papa Adom Kyei Duah so no e nkwasi asem say utumi ka say Papa Adom Kyei Duah so no mbetumi da company kwasi akasa say ye ka Papa Adom Kyei Duah ade omampani mutu no so aba Papa Adom Kyei Duah no so fancy say so fo bia so dan na e fa won be wo wa no say o chiche scan de we hu anka yeah, adoye na o ka se o betimi de agi se de aye edwuma o betimi de aye se o sha mon fon kran de we hu nyansa sem bia timi am be kan fon we timi am be ka se man we ya de so kwasta sem we na o timi be kan o join so be sa video kran na nye so be sa video na nye wo
ebusiafo adomo Jimmy so say adom arakwa Ralph, how many times? Enenima mabodi. 3 times. We be bisa me say, e dienti enenima wabo Ralph din 3 times. Enimbre ana say wie me hu video bi e circulate e o media so. Say Ralph akọ bosha sase so. Krokonkron no so akoye some video bi in fact video no ye no me man a strong warning say what so afofra man fam by Papa Stephen Adom Kyei Duah some time ago any ye hu say o ye o politics sa o politics na wo ye no o ka bitia NDC fo o ka bitia MPP fo eno de eye politics na wo ye this time around there ye Papa Stephen Adom Kyei Duah ye Philadelphia fo ye ntwe say 2026 omo di nenim year from 2025 any some years ago no this time around ye ntwe some of nenim ye form bi enough is enough. De bia na mo de Papa Stephen Adom Kyei Duah ni ye form no yanche nti Ralph me ma wo last warning hwe no 129 ensi bosha asase so obi ankoye sa video na wo ye ni bi enye sa ade efe ebe ye wotan
ena yemfa ne say ye di ye production bi cashew
Ralph one try ba kokora ye wo mele bia ne kasa ye ka ba kasa ya wakanene no one try sa kasa ye san ka wo di busa politician investors wana bind this ka mo muso mu mie factory bind this ka mo so omunye investment ana bank akese this ka bia ma business mind bi so onfanye bi sei kade na me hwe flu nyansam ne se anka obo papa na baso e wo de waye no na wo wi na wo bibi ka waka cause one Stephen Adom Kyei Duah the voice of God na wo susu se anka na asore dan no ana nhia dan na wo fankoye cashew factory no one ofeska bia mele no ana two onye investor onye businessman ana wabi busan this question obai Kristo nti ana nyamedwuma no oba beye ana wunnim nyansan sen Stephen Adom Kyei Duah papa wakan bibia to enye se wonno oba beka se papa enkoye Stephen Adom Kyei Duah nyansa bo akwa wahihye bibia to e wo sa asase a ka pesa ka akoso afi wache ska 517 billion ani adama Ghana mainema men ka se Philadelphia ma because Philadelphia for Ghana for enunti na oba asase ne so be hu Ghana flag ho no Ghana flag ni dikan just Philadelphia for Ghana for kantamanto ehye this man himself and ko support ye Ralph uti o man mu wahunu nanso wonkan afi wa bigina ho no se onfa na asole ne nya cashew factory how dare you ye wojabia ne de didum no ye wojabi wo no mo a osanso bucket ba kokore bedum ani wojabi wo nso a ofre fire service for You will jab in so all my fire service for Bahon Cromoya ye, Nasa Jawi, and Watam Zoo Kaba Kode Bahon, Ralph Obeshe, Mr. Court Nessa Brabu, na Stephen Adom Kyei Duah, Oba Funyamema, and Kura. The ambulance abono, Surinyansa. Washishe di bibia, wakani bibi o baby actually Philadelphia ma, ye wa hontoso aye de twen. Tenya wo ana wo ba beka Stephen Adom Kyei Duah enye na ono one Ghana nyina ati nyansa bo akwa.
Abrantie Ralph when ade kra hwe video akoye o Philadelphia City Hall security man kra o pass mama no se wo hunu dia akoye enye sa na ekasa Papa Adom Kyei Duah onye o size empo se okọ hokrampo na hwensema woka ana company you kept on insisting say company. Is that a company for you? Papa no onye businessman. No. Onye businessman. Businessmen for Kromo Ghana ha krampo no. Niema papa yo ombetimi aye. Kantaman to wash ye. 22 billion no atam. Munje 500 billion last year no wache. 2021 88 billion no wache. 2022 400 billion no wache. 2023 417 billion no wache. Every year be a umasika e mama for ye juma. One kasa webusu eni ben and e be a company. One kasa onam hono. One kasa onam hono. E dia na waya mani pa deseni. Eni kwan krasan ka hoko yesa eni amo onsem no. So what you say? We are bro wase. Se unya baby sia. It doesn't mean say ube is that kind of medium no. Edia ensem fata nye baby ana edia groko. Businessmen for crampo dear papa ni you met me aye. Because you have an agenda. Agenda and how they call to just create or crave views. Abrantie shebibiye na Ghana na yewono. Ewiase etwa no ho abribia. Etwa no sia esabe si bibi free etwa na ye no. Nti you're very careful. Na abrabo no senke bona anka abrewe fro people a ankoko ni nchenche mu. Shebibiye Ralph. Now you're hypocrite. Koshe papa ni nyuma po ya munim ba mwasheda. Adea odikosi company a sebe una na kanso amo aibo obrano company ben no mesi amanipa. Unim Philadelphia City ejuma ekoho no unim workers a papa no ehwe won. You don't know, you have no ideas. One kasano any question can ma reply.
Chira wa dwe mame e wo comment section. I Penyah Block Media. Akra.